In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your Snap score on Snapchat. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So by doing this, you can increase your Snap score by a lot, like every 30 seconds to a minute. So how you do this is first open up Snapchat, and then what I'll do is I'll go to my profile and show you my score at the moment. So at the moment, my Snapchat score is obviously 45. So if you want to increase this by a lot, what you can do is you can simply go to the Add Friends section here. Click on Add Friends, and then you can go through and you can simply add people. So from AAA, if you put AAA in, you can click on Add through everyone here. And then you can go to and do the same for BBB. So all you need to do is simply go through and add as many people as you like. And then once you are happy, what you can do is you can simply go back and go to the camera on Snapchat, take a Snapchat as you would usually. And what I'll do is I'll just put a sticker on here and then click on Send To. And then first of all, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click on all of these individually to begin with. And then once you have clicked on all of these and sent the snap, and if I refresh and go back over to my account, it is now 54. And I will show you now how you can send a snap to all of these people at the same time. So if you go through, go to the camera, take a snap as you would usually, and go ahead and go through and just put whatever you want on it. And then you can simply click on Last Snap. So if you click on that, it will select all the people you did send your last snap to. So if I click on Send Again, and then I go ahead and refresh my account, as you can see, my snap score has now gone up to 63, and you can add as many people as you want to the snap that you are sending. So the more people you send snaps to, the higher your score will become. So that's how you can go ahead and increase your Snap score on Snapchat.